Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog! So for today's video, gumagawa kami ngayon ng craft flower. We will make a flower. So we are done. The vase. Look. And we will make the leaves. We're done the leaves. So, ayun na. We're making leaves.
We need four. We need to make four leaves.
1, 2.
Ito na, sorry, hindi ko napakita. Tapos, ikot mo lang siya.
We will take one and then tie it here.
Ano rin itong akin?
Kano kinat mo kasi? Kaya magtatanong pa yun kung bakit maliit. Ano yung kinat niya? Bubuka ang bulaklak.
Ba't maliit yung akin?
Kinat mo nga kasi. Magtatanong yan ulit.
The size of your leaves will depend on how you cut.
Oh, sabi sa iyo eh.
Wire.
Kinat niya pa kasi. Tingnan mo, may mga sobra-sobra. Tapos magtatanong kung bakit maliit.
Okay, you can adjust the size of the.
Sabi niya kasi hindi daw pantay-pantay. So I made already 4
Bakit ganito to?
Kanina kasi siya rin yung
Paano itong akin?
Pangit kasi yung gumagawa. I made already 4 leaves, guys. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself.
The shape of your leaves or the petals of the flower, it will depend on how you will
Cut.
massage here.
Kailangan pala i-massage natin siya.
The leaves also needs.
Parang yung ano, te, hindi siya lalaki pag hindi siya minasage.
Okay,
Hindi ka lang siya. Parang may laman yun.
Balak anak, may laman yun.
just make sure that you
Perfect po. Perfect. Ito po.
so you have this three fasciitis, okay? And then you put four into half. Then insert this another extra fasciitis. And okay? And then go here. Twist it twice. Should be tight. And then okay? Then arrange them. You need to arrange them so
Ayun, may shape.
it's like this. Then combine them together. It depends on how you want it. If you want it bigger,
Ito po.
here. If you want it smaller, then if you want that it's all same, then you can just
This is okay?
all same.
Good. Ito po, okay lang po.
Alam mo, wala pala ikla ko dito. Wala. This one, Bem. Very.
So we need to
I made already 4 leaves.
massage here and then separate them.
Ito na, ating 4 leaves.
Ano na naman gagawin?
Take two fuzzy wire.
Color?
Take two fuzzy wire to make the flower. And then
Any color?
yes. But I only yeah, only one. Yeah, just take two fuzzy wire and then cut into fold and cut into half.
Asan naman yung gunting natin?
Ang gunting namin na wala na.
Fold and cut into
making now flowers. Green?
Take one green. Green? Yes. And then take the 4 cotton flowers and fold into half. Yes, fold into half. Yes. And then this green flower, just tie and twist.
How many times twist?
4. The 4.
Whole 4?
The 4 pieces flower. Fold into half. Yes. Yeah, that's each other 4 flower. Just fold.
Bebe, how
Fold. Just fold. Yeah. Fold. Yes. 4 flower. Fold. Spread.
Bobo ka, ang bulaklak.
Now you have the jellyfish
Spider web.
or spider web.
Okay. Spread them. Should be like this. Spread it out. All done? See, they're finished. So first. Okay. And then next, take 1 wire and bring it into the center. Okay. 1 wire, bring it into the center. And then twist twice. 1, 2.
Paano siya twist?
You do it with the remaining wires. Yeah, same. Take the wire and then the tip, bring it to the center, and then twist.
Can you come here as well? We cannot see.
No.
You have to make the wire and to bring in the center and form oval shape
Okay.
and twist twice to form petals.
Okay.
Make sure that this oval shape to create a petal because we are making flowers.
Make sure that your
Then you can repeat the same time up to 8 petals are formed.
the green wire should be tight. And then spread. Okay, then take 1 password, bring it to the center, this, and then twist. 1, 2. Then do it with the remaining wires. Yeah, all. Okay, you have it. Okay. Yeah, this one should be tight.
Ucuk-ucuk kamay.
Once you are done with the flowers, you can take 1/2 of waxy wire to form a bud. Hold one end and twist it and cut to the excess waxy wire.
Yes, but just arrange okay,
You can choose any color so your flowers are more likely to put a bud on the middle. It doesn't necessarily the same
Be, patingin nga sa'yo, Be.
You can choose
Aba,
any
perfect.
Perfect.
color
Ang galing naman.